Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Park Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi. I'd like to check in, please.
Of course. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do.
It's Emma Johnson.
It's Emma Johnson.
Could you spell your last name for me?
Sure.
Thank you. One moment, please.
Yes. Joachson.
Okay, I found your reservation. You booked a double room for 3 nights.
No problem.
And you'll be staying from Monday until Thursday.
That's right.
Perfect. May I see your passport or ID, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Sure. Here you are.
Yes, everything looks good.
Is everything okay?
Is this your first time staying with us?
Great.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Welcome. I hope you'll have a pleasant stay.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to it.
Wonderful. Let me get your room ready. Your reservation is for a double room with 1 large bed.
Actually, I thought I booked a room with 2 beds.
Let me double-check that for you.
Thank you.
You're right. I see here that you requested 2 beds.
Yes, that's what I need.
I'm sorry about the confusion.
That's okay.
We do have a twin room available.
What's the difference between the 2 rooms?
The twin room has 2 separate beds, while the double room has 1 large bed.
I'd prefer the twin room.
No problem. I'll change your room.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How much is the room per night?
Your rate is $120 per night.
Does that include taxes?
Yes. The total price, including taxes, is $360 for 3 nights.
Okay. And is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included with your room.
That's great.
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 o'clock every morning.
Where is the breakfast area?
It's on the 1st floor, next to the lobby.
Perfect.
Would you like to pay now or at checkout?
Can I pay now?
Of course.
I'll pay by card.
No problem. Please insert your card into the machine. Please enter your PIN. Done. Your payment has gone through successfully.
Great.
Here is your room key.
Thank you.
You're staying in room 407 on the 4th floor.
Okay.
Checkout is at 11 a.m. on Thursday.
What happens if I need a late checkout?
You can ask us the day before. Late checkout depends on availability.
Is there an extra charge?
Sometimes, yes. It depends on how late you want to stay.
I see.
The hotel also has free Wi-Fi.
Great. What's the Wi-Fi password?
The network is called Grand Park Guest.
And what's the password?
It's printed on your key card holder.
Oh, I see it.
If you have any trouble connecting, just call reception. Do you have any other questions?
Yes. Is smoking allowed in the rooms?
No. All our rooms are non-smoking.
Okay.
Smoking is only allowed in the designated outdoor area.
Where is that?
It's just outside the main entrance, on the right.
Got it.
Also, if you have visitors, please let reception know.
Sure.
And please keep your key card with you at all times.
No problem.
If you lose it, please tell us immediately.
I will. Does the hotel have a swimming pool?
Yes, we have an outdoor swimming pool.
What time does it open?
It opens at 7 a.m. and closes at 9 p.m.
Nice.
There's also a small gym.
Is the gym open all day?
Yes. It's open from 6 a.m. until 10 p.m.
Do I need a special key?
No. Your room key gives you access.
Great.
We also have a restaurant.
Is the restaurant open tonight?
Yes. Dinner is served from 6 to 10 p.m.
Do I need a reservation?
Usually not, but it can get busy on weekends.
Is there a vegetarian menu?
Yes, we have several vegetarian options.
That's good to know.
There's also a cafe in the lobby.
What time does it close?
It closes at 11 p.m.
Perfect. I might get a coffee later.
You're welcome to.
Do you have laundry facilities?
Yes. There's a laundry room on the 3rd floor.
Can guests use it themselves?
Yes. The machines are self-service.
Do I need coins?
No. You can pay using your room key.
That's convenient.
We also offer laundry service if you'd prefer.
How long does that usually take?
Usually 1 day.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind.